I don't think it's worth 45. You know what I'm saying? Give me my phone, bro. I'm gonna show that. Give me my phone. I'm gonna show that motherfucker.
What the fuck you gonna do?
I'm gonna call my girlfriend. She'll be with that big black guy.
Bro, I can't owe my own brother $5 bro.
I need every dollar I get.
What the
I can't go to the light man and tell him I owe him $5. You cut my shit off. I got him.
Niggas cool, that shit ain't going nowhere.
No, I can't go to the
I know
rent
niggas
man.
shit behind about 2 bands.
I don't give a
Live
fuck.
and love.
I can't go to the rent man and say, hey buddy, I owe you $5. Cause he would tell me.
Yeah, dog, you COVID pass the no eviction law, nigga. You can't get evicted, so talk that dumb shit.
Next time you don't get my motherfucking spray wax, I'm gonna give you that spray wax. Bitch, I got you.
Spray wax.
It's the only way you going out is down. Hopped in the streets, jumped in head first. We don't shoot below the waist, bitch. We shoot head first. I don't have no money problems, cause I put the bread first. Running COVID-19. I'm still outside with a Glock 19. I got kick all in my pockets, neck full of ice cream. All your hoes dying, nigga, you ain't on the right team.
All right, man, so we gotta keep pulling up now to the crib. He about to wash the truck and shit. So as soon as he get out, we're gonna get him, hit you with information. And then he got my boy with him. With the Heinekens in hand. You didn't even know you was on cam that quick, did you? Hope you ready. What's good though? We got Bud in the building, man. Y'all from the show, y'all know who Bud is, man. Got him on the pull up. What's good, what's good? So we got the man with the plan right here, man. Go ahead and shout everything out for the people, man.
Mobile detailing, man. You know how we do LLC, baby. We about to get down to this big black truck right here.
Tell them what the number is to the joint.
The number is 757-894-3753. Hit me any time of the day from 8 to 5, 8 to 6.
8 to 5, 8 to 6, man. Y'all heard it right there. So we're gonna get to this wash, yo. We're gonna see what it is when he done. All right, so this the purpose of my channel right here, dog. Look, see, I thought when he was washing cars and stuff, he be at the car washing shit. So I thought he either had to be with their water supply, or if he was at your crib, he had to use like your water hose or something. But he got his own pressure washer right here in the trunk. Got literally everything with him, yo. Cleaning supplies, everything with him. He got the grit, so he ain't washing your car with dirt and shit. Already on the mitt. So yeah, he like all the way ready to go. So yeah, I didn't know that, so I know y'all didn't know that. So yeah.
Detailing, LLC. I'm gonna get you done. I just touched you. I'm gonna post in a second. I just touched 2 of them.
Just
Rolling
2.
niggas anyway.
Couldn't he post it, man, because he was on to the next one.
I'm here.
Ain't bad, man. Yo, I got that shit in the bed of my truck too. That ceramic I was telling you about.
I got that too.
Oh, you got it?
Check my car.
Word. Oh, don't be like me, man. I had it mixed up, man. I thought this was a car wash, man. No, this a real detail, man. We got Bud in there hitting the fender wells and shit. I ain't even there washed it on my own truck. They didn't wash my roof. I ain't washed the roof since I had the truck. For 2 years, the roof ain't never been washed. So they really getting into it, cleaning it, man. So yeah, a detail, not a car wash, man.
we get to it. That's what we get to it. Got a little step ladder?
The ladder?
Little step ladder?
I might.
You got this plane already out for me.
Yeah. Facts. Yeah, man, they drawing her up now, man. Got her beamed up. She beamed up.
Open the doors right there. The water. You gotta hit them doors, James.
Me?
Yeah, you son of a bitch.
Man, I don't take that.
Boy, go get my
They
black
got that
bag.
compound wax on there, man.
Go get my black car. Go get my black bag off that car.
Compound wax. I know she gonna be shining after this. It's that real wax.
Black bag, yeah. Where's that? It's a double bag. It's black. Then go get your car.
I'm not walking, bro. You pick me up in your shit, you gonna take me back in my shit. Your shit.
This is right there.
It don't matter.
Bring me my big black guy. Bring my big black guy right here. I want that. Cause I see you gonna have a time.
God damn, man. Not a problem, man. God damn.
I keep that fire on me.
Yeah.
All right, man. So we getting the Sean check in, man. He said, come look at the Sean check, man. After he wiped the wax off. God damn. You can see his murk. You can see his murk and me in it. Yeah, man. She beamed up, man. You can see me from way back here, man. In the paint. That's that OG wax right there. That ain't that spray wax.
Oh yeah.
What they call that? Call that what? Compound wax, right?
Yeah.
Compound wax. The real deal. This that joint when I touch it when it's dry, right? My finger ain't even gonna leave no fingerprint, right? Damn.
There you go.
Damn. Yeah, that's that real test right there, boy. You touch it, she don't leave a fingerprint. Like I said before, man, it's a car detail, not a car wash, man. So they've been at it for about, well, what y'all say, 45 minutes? Yeah, I mean, car wash is what, 15, 20 minutes? Somebody get your car wash done? There's more than that, man. They about 45 minutes to an hour in, and it's like half done. You know what I'm saying?
She look like when she get hit. And Keys Mobile Detailing, I'm telling you, come let me touch you.
And give him the number again?
894-375-3757 VA, baby.
Word.
We're gonna touch you.
Now he on the Eastern Shore side right now, but they be
all
on.
Over. We be all over.
Yeah, they be in the Hampton Roads area too, just depending on what the business over that side.
Like,
right.
I'm coming.
So if you over there and it's enough of y'all together, he gonna make that move for y'all. So y'all hit him up, man, for real. Real good business going on.
COVID's lifting.
Man, that bitch shining, boy. You can see everything, dog. You can see my neighbor house. Look, let me show y'all see my neighbor house back there. You see my goddamn shed that's open. Everything. My other neighbor house way back there. Deep shine, man.
That bitch a mirror.
Straight mirror, dog. You see everything. Everything. Well, I'm gonna start like the cleaning going on and shit.
I watched that whole transition. That bitch is bright. I watched them clean that goddamn chrome mirror. That bitch was dog.
Seen it.
Seen that bitch. That bitch was bright. Seen it different.
It's a beam right there on top of the mirror. You see it right, it won't even go away. You see it? You see it right there on the inside of the mirror? It won't even go away. And no matter where you move at, it's still beaming. Damn, they're both mirrors. That's what that OG wax do, man. OG wax. Got my headlights back right. My headlights were looking all ashy and yellow and shit. They back looking clear. If y'all know somebody too that's trying to sponsor your boy some headlights, man, put me a new set in there, man, to go with the truck, man. That'd be love too, man. I shout your company out. I know it's early for me to be asking for sponsorship because I ain't got no buzz yet, man. I gotta try, man. Gotta try. All right, man. So we got the finishing touches going on, man. Show y'all the hole. So my chrome wasn't looking nowhere near this at all. Got no bugs, nothing. Paint back wet, factory wet. I can't even see the scratches I put in it. Somebody had a C carved in my door. Somebody keyed me one time. I can't even see that right now. Oh shit. Shit. Got the wheels wet. Just a whole mirror, man. Whole mirror, whole truck of mirror. Damn, that bitch wet, boy.
I could do a little better though with that buff wash. That buff you talking about.
He about to start.
He'll buff it real soon, and I'm about to start cleaning seats. Hit me up. He's mobile detail.
Starting to polish. He say he gonna start up polishing paint, man, buffing paint, get it back to factory spec. Call it paint correction. And he in the process right now of getting stuff in the clean cloth seats. See, I got leather, so I'm good. But if you got those cloth seats, your kids been back there throwing fries with grease and ketchup and juice and stuff back in your back seat. He can get you back to, you know what I mean, back to how you pick the car up or whatever. So that be coming soon. Probably by the time y'all see this video drop. So y'all hit him up, man. Y'all got the number. They watching my boy car, man. You say, man, say you want your shit detailed the right way.
The right way.
The right way. So hell yeah. So we got him next, man. This the before. This the before. Show y'all the after, man.
Do everything.
And they got my boy back right. Y'all thought my boy ain't have it. So he's back. So man, that's the after, man. We got him all wiped off. Back shining. I told him he wasn't gonna be able to see the baby blue in his joint, yo, but I lied though. She's shining. She's shining. Keys Mobile Detailing, man. Keys Mobile Detailing, not Keys Mobile Car Washing, man.
Keys Mobile Detailing. Real good. Johnny. I'm doing all my work myself. It's just me. My brother helped me sometimes, but it's just me. So if you call me and I don't touch you right away, call me again.
Call him again. Call him back, man. How you gonna answer the phone and do work like this at the same time? It don't add up, does it? So man, you heard it say if you call him, or call him, leave a message, or if you call him, and he don't answer, text him. Yeah, just make sure you know he know you waiting in line next.
Yes, sir. I got to put an extra hand on that when I ain't got to. You making me work hard. Bad business. No.
Bad business, bro.
That's no bad business. That's called good business. If you want me to put compound on there, you got to pay for my hand in compound. That man paid for my hand with compound.
I'm paying for it.
That OG wax I was telling you about, OG wax.
So
I'm paying for it.
As long as you got my 55, I'm going to put this compound on there.
Hey, you said the price on video, man. You ain't do that one.
Like
That's 55 for him, y'all. It depends on the size of your car. You know what I'm saying?
I pay for 40, motherfucker.
Don't do this to that 55. He says 55 for this car. So.
Don't hurt me.
You want a bed ready?
That bitch gonna drip water.
But you just want somebody to drink with you so you can drink the whole 12 pack up, man. I know you still drink, man.
I went over to check it till it got home. I was happy to get there. I put the whole 12 in the car and put some ice on it. And then got 3 platinum lights, motherfucker, ready to go with it.
They used to be my shit, boy, when they first came out. Well, like platinums.
Shine up, buddy. It's dog. You need a paper job.
I'm your fucking car up.
I tell you what, you better replace it before I know a shot out.
No, we're coming across that walk.
No, sir, you I'm gonna stop him at the bridge. I'm gonna stop you at the bridge, bitch, because you shoot my motherfucking $1,800 month up. Motherfucker, we gonna do it. We gonna do it. And I go on like this bitch hard for that car too. We gonna do it.
God, see. So he got that bitch off the muscle.
Bitch, I got that bitch out the mud. Bitch, we gonna do it. I hear sweating, wax all over my face, nails black and stuff, bitch. We gonna do it. When she come with that motherfucking big black daddy, you better be good, because she gonna say, come boom. I'm gonna call my old lady with that big black daddy. I don't think it's worth 45. You know what? See. Give me my phone, bro. I'm gonna show that. Give me my phone. I'm gonna show that motherfucker. What the fuck you gonna do? I'm gonna call my girlfriend. She'll be with that big black guy. You think I bullshit with you today? I'm gonna call my girlfriend and she gonna bring me that big black guy.
That nigga is crazy, dog.
She gonna bring me that big black guy. Your toy's still dirty, honey. I wanna know why you gonna spread that on there.
So y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all what, yo, this is the first Merc I know from the shore on airbags, yo. Boy got airbags on this boy. Not no lift blocks, not no little quick lift kit, none of that. Boy got airbags on there.
He not gonna have nothing on bricks.
Bro say if he don't get his money, he ain't gonna have no bags on that bitch.
Put him on bricks.
Hey, I tried to go buy some spring lifts for my shit. That nigga looked at me like I was dumb.
For real.
You got airbags on me, you don't need that.
Oh, Lord, he did not. That's smaller.